Okay, so we're gonna go look for my. What the heck? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing?
I'm the man behind the vending machine.
Where's Man in Bush?
In this bush.
But he's just right there.
I know he was. He didn't tell you about me?
No.
The man behind the vending machine.
What are you even doing? How do you survive?
Break the vending machine.
What the heck? Is that why this is broken?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
I need food.
You got donuts?
Get
Get out of your vending machine.
No.
No, come on.
No.
You have to go. Come on. Yes.
What about that one?
No.
I don't even fit.
What are you doing?
How about this one?
You're the dumbest man ever. What do you think you're doing in here? Come on. We gotta go find Man in Bush.
Fine.
Right,
You don't
come
even
on.
know me and you're already putting...
No!